Welcome to 20101 Northwest O'Neill Highway, located in Redmond, Oregon. This home is about 10 minutes from downtown Redmond, 5 minutes from Terrebonne, less than 20 minutes from Prineville. It sits on 5.7 acres. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2342 square feet. It has an attached 2-car garage, a large detached shop with RV door, and another detached double-car garage. It has a sprinkler system all the way around. Irrigation system is all tied in with the well and on timers, and it's a smart irrigation system that you can control with your smartphone from anywhere that you have an internet connection or cell data connection. This shed over here is more of a workshop with power and a mezzanine. Now inside the front door, looking in the great room area, the home has a newer pellet stove along with a central electric heating with heat pump. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, expansive counters, lots of storage in the cupboards and cabinets. Comes equipped with all these stainless appliances. The microwave is not included, but that is a propane range. Stainless dishwasher. All the cabinets have been refaced or in really great condition. The flooring's all beautiful. This is a vinyl type flooring. There is a pantry right there. The original oak floors throughout much of the rest of the house. All the bedrooms are there on the south end of the home. The thermostat for the HVAC below and the thermostat for the pellet stove is the top one there. On to the bonus family room area. There's a door that leads out back to the patio, stamped concrete, looking towards those Ochocos mountains. It's a big, beautiful space with more TV area and a wood fireplace. Just a gorgeous view through that window of the Ochocos and Grizzly Mountain. It's Grizzly Mountain right there in the distance. And then a formal dining area that could be flexed to be used many different ways. More of that really beautiful view there. You have the river down below as well, the Crooked River that you can see along with the Ochocos. But that is the river you see there, Crooked River, winding through the gorge here, through those rim rocks. Looking across neat farm ground too. And that door leads back into the kitchen. It's a really big space. You can see with large furniture, there's still room to get around all the edges. There's a little workout space there too. Even has room for a piano. There's a coat closet. Storage throughout the house is excellent. Here behind the kitchen is a really large utility room, pantry, craft room, amazing storage in here, the washer and dryer, a utility sink, and this leads out to the garage here to the left of that bathroom. There's a newer propane water heater. This is a full bathroom. smaller space to show with a video, but it's really quite spacious in person and plenty of floor space. Works really well. You can see as I back up here where the kitchen is, where the shower is, the shower stall. Got lots of room to get in and around everything. Medicine cabinet built in there to the mirror. And again, this leads out to the garage. And there's another little kind of hobby room that I'll show in the video. It's right behind the office. Through the kitchen again. This is the guest bathroom for all the bedrooms, and it's also really set as the master bathroom because it comes off of the master bedroom. Really good storage in here, good counter space, and good lighting. And it does have a tub shower combination here as you come in. Into the master. It's a big room with the hardwoods, ceiling fan. It's a queen size bed that's in here currently, but a king size fits very comfortably. And the 2 guest bedrooms here on the east side of the house, both with really beautiful views of the Ochocos and Grizzly Mountain. Both these rooms fit queen size beds really comfortably. This room has those same views. Just really great views of Grizzly and the whole Crooked River Gorge and over towards Gray Butte. This room's being utilized as the office with a futon, but you can see that's a big queen futon, and there's still lots of space for the office. All these bedrooms are very generously sized. Just an awesome ranch style layout. It's large, 2,342 square feet. And in really great condition. So this room on the east side of the garage is being utilized as a bit of a catch-all, but it does have heat and it's insulated. You can see the cadet there. It has workout mat flooring, a nice workshop bench, power outlets, shelving, make a nice hobby room or some kind of reloading room. It's really a good space. And it leads right into the garage. Standing in the backyard on the stamped concrete patio, it's extensive and perfect for the afternoon shade, hot summer days. You sit out here, look over at the Ochocos and down at the gorge. It's really a great space for the barbecue, and it leads right into the house and into the bonus area. Just an awesome space and a really neat patio leading out to a big yard that's fully irrigated and surrounds the home. There's hose bibs around, power outlets too. Standing over here by the little workshop, There's a nice dog kennel that has a concrete base. There's a frost-free hose bib over here, outlets on the side of the building, lights on the side of the building, and there's a little fenced garden area down here. Nice trail that leads over. So really good storage inside, power throughout, lights throughout, a storage mezzanine above, very helpful. Good window here on the side, so when you're planting you have a nice view out. There's the sub panel, and it is heated. There's a cadet heater down there. Really an awesome space. So now inside the mostly finished shop. You can see it has a 100 amp dedicated panel. Everything's nicely labeled there. All of this was just recently signed off by Crook County. All the wiring in here. There's a man door out the side to the smaller 2-car detached garage. 2 of the tall RV doors, both insulated. The structure is not insulated, but it is vapor wrapped, which does give some R value. So if you want to run a heater in here, it is, it can stay really pretty warm just as it is, but with some extra insulation it helps some. There's the water heater above there for the shower and that bathroom. It's all finished now. This workshop would be nice to insulate and put in just some of the cadet heaters. And actually there is one cadet heater in place already. So if this were insulated and those doors put in place, you'd have a space that's pretty easy to keep warm. The bathroom with stand-up stall shower, new toilet, it's a concrete floor, has its own cadet heater, and a large utility sink, GFCI outlet next to it. There's also a switch for the fan. Which is right there. So nice workshop space here as part of the larger shop. Has one outlet ready, and then everything's open to put in the rest of the wiring for outlets around the wall. And the outlets are already in place out in the rest of the shop. With one welder plug right next to the panel. Out here between the shop and the detached 2-car garage, these doors are 14 foot. So again, you can fit any RV in there as long as the length works. Lots of extra parking and space for additional toys and trailers and vehicles. This detached garage make a really great workshop. It does have power and its own little sub panel. concrete floor. It's not sealed up right now on the bottoms, so it's not rodent safe, but it could be made to be totally protected from all rodent activity with a little work. It's a very good structure and shouldn't be going anywhere anytime soon. And so you can get an idea more of that landscaping as it goes around. That's all grass that's taken care of by the sprinkler system. Really low maintenance.